Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're unveiling a game-changer in the world of hair care. BOLDIFY Hair Fibers, the best black magic hair treatment. If you're struggling with thinning or fine hair, this could be exactly what you've been searching for. BOLDIFY Hair Fibers are designed to give you an instant, fuller, and thicker look with zero effort. Whether you're dealing with a thinning crown, patchy areas, or a receding hairline, this product is your new best friend. It works by bonding seamlessly to your existing hair, creating a natural, undetectable finish that will have people thinking you've just stepped out of the salon. The beauty of this product is in its simplicity. It's made from natural plant-based fibers, meaning it's not only effective but also cruelty-free and hypoallergenic. You can feel good about using it knowing that it's free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalate. One of the standout features of BOLDIFY is its versatility. With 14 realistic shades to choose from, you're guaranteed to find the perfect match for your hair color. Whether you need a color match for your roots or you're covering up a few thinning spots, this product has you covered. And if you find yourself in between shades, don't worry. Just go for the darker shade for the most natural look. Application is a breeze, too. Simply shake the fibers over the desired areas, pat gently to set them, and you're done. For extra durability, finish off with your favorite hairspray to keep your new volume locked in all day long. Unlike other hair fiber products, BOLDIFY minimizes the mess, ensuring a cleaner, smoother experience. It won't leave you with a powdery residue on your pillow or clothes, and the fibers stay in place, even through weather and sweat. Plus, when you're ready to take it off, it washes out easily with just one shampoo. BOLDIFY doesn't just stop at improving your hair's appearance, it's designed to boost your confidence too. When you look good, you feel good, and this product ensures that your hair looks thick, full, and natural, no matter the situation. Whether you're going to work, a night out, or a special event, you'll walk with the confidence of having a full head of hair. And if you're not satisfied, BOLDIFY offers a hassle-free satisfaction guarantee. That means you can try it risk-free. In a nutshell, BOLDIFY hair fibers are the ultimate solution for anyone looking to fill in thinning areas, add volume, and restore confidence in their hair. With its ease of use, affordability, and natural finish, this product is a must-have for anyone dealing with hair thinning. So, if you haven't tried it yet, what are you waiting for? Get your hands on BOLDIFY hair fibers today and experience the magic for yourself.